my page, I have a big surprise for y'all. My beauty room is finally done. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I have my little vanity that was in my bedroom, but I needed some more space, and my purse collection keeps growing and growing, so I decided to do a beauty room and have my purses on shelves. So I finally finished after a week because I got picky with certain things. I had to order things, wait for them to get here, but now it's finally complete and I'm ready to show y'all. So stay tuned if you want to see it. So this is the guest room. I'm turning into my beauty room. We have two, but I decided to use this one because it's closer to my bedroom. I'm getting rid of my furniture now. And these boxes over here are what I'm going to use for my project. This is my closet. We're going to skip my husband's stuff to the left, but this is all of my stuff to the right. And I have a lot of stuff because I like to shop. I had got this Walmart bookshelf 2 years ago and decided it would be a good idea for me to put my shoes on here so they just wouldn't be laid out on the floor. Fast forward to now, since I'm getting rid of one of our guest rooms because we don't get company like that, I might as well make me a glam beauty room, you know? So I decided to order 5 of these shelves, and I'm gonna push this one also in that room, so it'll be 6 of them together. And then I'm just gonna put my shoes and all my purses in there. Then I'm gonna have my vanity and all my makeup stuff. Like, I had my makeup refrigerator I had stopped using because I didn't like it just sitting on the sink. I had my face steamer and a bunch of other things I want out. This is my bedroom. This is where my vanity is right now. Just wanted to show you the space, and it was pretty good. I did a lot of my filming in here, but I feel like having a beauty room will make things so much better, so I can't wait to get this project started. I got the furniture all going. Now I can start. I'm at Burlington. This is one of my secret places to get decorations and artwork because they actually have the best. Some of this stuff I found on Amazon for a way higher price. So I wasn't getting more paintings, but I found a few things that I like that I'm going to take home with me. I really came to get a rug and see if I can find another chair for my vanity. I like a lot of these chairs because they're pink, but I didn't get one because of the material. I feel like the makeup would ruin it. Getting somewhere, guys. I have 2 more to build, and the last one I will actually do on video. I didn't put any shelves in yet because I don't know how I want to place them yet, but I did do one of the bookshelves on camera for y'all, so you can go check that out. It's the video before this one. So this is the rug I decided. It's like a white cream. I don't know how long it is yet, so hopefully it fits like I want it to. This is how I did the shelves. So now I'm trying to decide if I'm going to put these pink pictures up that I just got, because when I seen them, I liked them, and I like the gold border around it. So I was going to put it beside the vanity and remove the other pictures. But when I was talking to my friend, she felt like my older pictures look better. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not. And if I knew I wasn't gonna put them up, I would have probably got like a pink or some kind of color rug, because I didn't want the room to be too white. The lights should be coming in today, so I'm waiting for those so I can put them on the shelves. Got the cutest light switch. And I have some plugs coming too, but they won't be here until tomorrow. I don't know what Amazon doing. But hopefully it fits, because it's supposed to be regular size, but mine look a little bit bigger. Okay, so now I'm about to put the rug down. Yeah, I thought it would be bigger than this. I don't know what it's going. I thought I was going to cover up half this floor. If that's the case, I would have got the blush one wrapped in there. And I'm thinking that it's big. And it's like that size. And there was a pink one that I saw that I really liked. It was about this size and I didn't get it. So I was like, that's too small. So these are the lights. They're rechargeable. I didn't want anything with batteries because batteries be costing. So this right here on the back is a magnet. And then the white part is like sticky, so you can stick it to whatever shelf you want. And then they have chargers to them. It also comes with a remote. So if you want to dim the lights or time it. Okay guys, it is day 3. We are gonna finish up this beauty room. The rest of my stuff have came in, so we're gonna finish decorating. So the cream rug I decided to take back. It was too small. I wanted something more this size, so this is what I got. I mean, they're close in size, but this one's just a little bit bigger. But that's how I wanted it. I've been doing the shelves. I put my lights and everything on. I'm gonna show that in a minute. And I need to fill up the rest of the shelves. I decided on my pictures, finally. Still might take that back because I don't know where else to put it unless I put it up there. Or I could try to put it on the side, but that might be doing too much. And then I put this one here. So right now, that's what I'm doing. Now, these just came in the mail. And my doorknob and the rest of my lights. I had got a doorknob that you can scan your finger and it will unlock. I'll show you in a minute, but yeah, just an update. This is what I found just now at the store, even though I have all of my wall decorations. I had to grab those just in case I changed my mind, and I'm thinking about doing that. I put those up there. I made this section for my beauty fridge and all that good stuff. It came out so cute. My chandelier finally came in and the guy put it up this morning and it is beautiful. You have to see it in person. It's so bright and shiny. I love the crystals. It's like mirror up underneath it. And you can change the design. He taught me how to do it with the wires, but I'm probably not gonna play around with it. So yeah, this was really my last piece of my beauty room and it completed it. Y'all, so this room should be done by now. And technically it is. I've already posted it on social media. So if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, you probably have seen it already, but I've been doing a lot of switching around. So what I've decided is my mirror that was in my walk-in closet, I wanted it to be in here because this is where all my jewelry is. And all this stuff will be linked in the bio because it's on my Amazon storefront. But yeah, this is where all my jewelry is and I wanted it in my room. So I brought this in the mirror that was in the corner. I took it out and I bought me a corner shelf. So I'm gonna go ahead and build that right now and then I'll be back. So here's the finished room, finally. I didn't know what to really put on a corner shelf, so I just put some of my makeup palettes for now, but I'll get me some decorations or maybe move smaller purses to this. This is the room with the lights off and before I put stuff on the corner shelf, so I just wanted to show you how it looks with just the shelf lights on. I'm glad I'm finally done creating this room. I've been wanting it since I moved in this house 4 years ago. but I always was thinking about guests and having 2 guest rooms, but I'm glad I finally made this happen for me. I love the space for my videos and just doing my makeup, just my girly room, and I'm happy. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.